lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 21st to February the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, baka nandun po, no? So, check nyo lang po yung ating playlist doon. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Ayan. Magsimula na tayo. Pisces. So, you're brushing yourself off. Ito yung sigurong pagkakadapa natin, no? Ngayon, bumabawi tayo. Either bumabawi tayo sa sarili natin, bumabawi tayo sa ibang tao. Kung bumabawi tayo sa ibang tao, we know na at one point in time, naging pasaway tayo. At one point in time, naging, sabihin natin, black sheep tayo, no? At one point in time, naging sabihin natin sakit sa ulo, no? Especially for magulang. People probably give up on us, but we didn't even give up, no? Hindi rin tayo sumuko sa sarili natin. Now you're seeing maturity. Now I'm seeing here that you have the power in a sense na you're directing your life into something very big, something different. I feel like masusurpresa mo, no, yung mga taong minsan minahal ka, bumitaw, dahil feeling nila wala kang pag-asa, no? I feel like kung bumabawi ka naman sa sarili mo, you know that you become a failure, no? To yourself, to a point siguro, no, na naisip pa natin, no, na wakasan ng buhay, no, pero hindi, no? Tama yon. You were given a life and you should, live to the fullest. You know na dadating yung time, ma-achieve mo ang mga bagay-bagay. And I think that you are on the process, no, of, katulad na sabi ko, brushing yourself off. Nakikita ko dito may parang parating na contract, no? Is it a contract of what? Probably trabaho, pag-alis ng bansa, pagbalik ng bansa, no? Page of Swords, I think that this is more of sa dami ng itinanim mo. It could be your wisdom, it could be your generosity, it could be your heart. Because when Pisces love, they love, right? With the Hermit in here and the Six of Pentacles, at one point in time, merong mga bagay na ibinigay tayo, hindi tayo nasuklian, natuto tayo, no? May mga pagkakataon din na binigay natin, nasuklian naman. Parang tayo merong virtual na notebook, no? Kasi hindi naman sa pagtatanim ng sama ng loob. Parang gusto mo ring or pinangako mo sa sarili mo, no, na itong taong to babalikan ko once na nagkaroon ako. no? Or once nakabawi ako. With the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. So, dumating yung time, this is the past, no? It may be the distant past or the recent past. Siguro we've been through anxiety. Kasi parang walang nangyayari sa buhay, no? Especially when it comes to love. Kailan ba dadating? Kailan ko ba ma-experience? Yung iba, wala nang relationship, no? Wala pang nagpapangiti, wala pang inspiration. Kung meron man, baka artista, no? Yung parang hindi makatotohanan. Kung meron man jowa or asawa, feeling mo, for the sake of status lang, yung relationship, pero in reality, parang wala ka namang karelasyon. That's how you feel. With the Justice in here and the Page of Rods, I think that you are trying to learn something. Hindi ka lang nanonood sa internet just because of kill time. There may be things that you're parang pinapanood mo dahil gusto mong matuto, pinapanood mo dahil alam mong makakatulong, no? Hindi ka lang nanonood for the sake of, no, isang araw na naman dadating, kailangan ubusin ko tong oras na ito para sa walang kapararakang bagay, no? I feel like you're here for learning with the Emperor and the King of Swords. So nakikita natin ang strategy, nakikita natin ang mga bagay na parang magpapatibay sa'yo. It could also be just, hearing some motivational, quotes, motivational speakers, no? With the Page of Swords and the Hierophant. Ang payapa-yapa, no? It could be payapa ka na ngayon or very, very soon. Sobrang payapa, no? Ng isip mo, ng pamumuhay mo. To a point wherein almost abundantly, no? 10 of Pentacles, but this is 9. Makakamtan itong almost rurok, no? Ng tagumpay. Kung if you were kung meron ka create na family and it felt like that parang nasira, broken family, whether it is with the same person, with the Hierophant, no, yung apologies, aayusin uli, no, or a different person, no, there will be like an agreement, between you. With the Justice also in here, that signifies kung ano man yung mga nawala, may reward. With the Ace of Rods, Pisces, I feel like medyo magiging masaya din, no? Probably because of your passion, no? Your passion drives you, no? Ay, ganun naman talaga si Pisces. Gagawin niya kung ano yung gusto niya, no? Kung ano yung tibok ng puso niya. Sometimes gagawin niya kahit mali. Basta yun yung tinibok ng puso niya. Let me know sa comment section. Sabihin mo nagsisinungaling ako. But with the Ace of Rods, meron din ditong Pisces. Let me know sa comment section din, no? I feel like active na ang inyong sex life, which is good, no? I mean, we're all adults here. And, that's part of becoming a human. Part of the relationship. Now, with the Ace of Pentacles and the Fool card. So, sa mga naghahanap, ng bagong pag-ibig. So, eto na to. Passionate. Eto na to. Yung bigay buhos katulad mo, no? Pati pamato. So, parang makakahanap tayo ng katapat when it comes to emotion. When it comes to giving, your abundance. 7 of Rods, but you're gonna be very strategic with the 4 of Rods. So, dahil dun sa mga na-experience mo before, no? Ng mga challenges na experience mo, na mga failure, no? Sabi ko nga, you've grown. Kung makikita mo, you're totally different from who you were to who you are now. Almost as if, siguro nga hindi mo na maalala, no? Siguro ngayon 'pag inaalala mo yung mga bagay then pilit mong inaalala, natatawa ka, 'no? Or kapag may nagpaalala sa'yo, "Oh, shit," na, "That was me then. I'm not that same person anymore," 'no? Hindi na ako yon. I don't even live, no, in that reality anymore with the Four of Rods. Dahil nga sa mga natutunan mo, no, parang binabalance mo na. Ngayon you have the power, no, to probably dictate. No, wag naman yung maging nakakasakal. Pero this time, nakikita ko kung dating sunod-sunuran, ngayon, parang meron ka ng say, no? Meron ka ng boses. Kumbaga, may impact na, no? May impact na sa buhay, no? Si Pisces, meron na siyang maipagmamalaki, no? Whether it is by finances, by your status, by your achievements, no? Kitang-kita yung yung ibang-ibang Pisces. Yung ibang mentality, ibang energy, no? So nakakita ko ngayon ng stability when it comes to relationship, stability when it comes to finances, stability when it comes to family life, no? Trabaho man yan. I love this dahil ito na ang simula, no? Ito na ang simula ng pagbabago ni Pisces. Let's get some more cards here. Pisces. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na din po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang unang channel na catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan, no? So, kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, baka nandun po, no, ang inyong reading. Check nyo po yung playlist. Sumali po kayo sa live, no, warm ang community doon. At kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, baka po, no, pwede rin kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, may bayad po yun, no? Check nyo na lang po, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code for your reference, no? Nandun din po itong, sabihin nating amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, I dream about a future with you. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko, no? Meron talagang taong, ito na ang katapat, no? Ito na ang bagong simula, no? Kung dati, no, binabaliwala tayo ng mga tao na kapaligid sa atin, ngayon, pinapangarap ka na, no? Let's get some message from the universe. Slow down and take your time. There is no need to rush. You are already doing your part. Trust that what belongs to you in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. Ito na ang oras, ito na ang time, no, para i-harvest kung ano man itong reward na para sa iyo. Sa dami mong pinagdaanan, Pisces, congratulations. Let's check, no, ang zodiac sign ng iyong person. If this is romantic reading, I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Aries, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, at nakakaloka, no? Walang water sign. Yan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.